Hi guys, this is a cleaning motivation and I'm cleaning my messed up kitchen again. I'm starting out by cleaning the kitchen, putting up the dishes, reloading the dishwasher, and this video is more so concentrating on my refrigerator. So I cleaned one refrigerator on this day. Like I said, I'm just spring cleaning here and there, and I needed to clean this refrigerator out today because the stainless steel one, because I need to go pick up some things from the grocery store. So I decided to go ahead and clean that out on today. So for my Monday video today, I am going to be cleaning the kitchen a little bit, but more so cleaning, like deep cleaning the refrigerator, and I have to do the other one too, but on today I did one. So the way that I'm doing this is weird because what I'm doing is just taking stuff out and putting it up, but I didn't really like put everything up in the video. I am putting stuff on the side. I was trying to get this thing cleared so that I can wash the drawers from the refrigerator. So that's why you're gonna see me like putting the cutting boards over everywhere, putting the pots and pans right there. It's like I got to get this stuff out of the way so that I can clean this refrigerator out.
I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
So I'm just taking out the drawers and the shelves, and I'm going to rinse them out and wash them out with some Dawn dish soap. So I needed to do this, and I'm finally doing it. Another thing I've been putting off. If you watch my videos for a while, you know that I'm really busy. Life is busy a lot around here, and we're going to be keeping littles here again on and off a couple of days a week, so things are going to get even busier. So I am just doing this today, and I'm cleaning out one refrigerator. I said that already. I'm repeating myself. But I'm cleaning out the drawers and the shelves because I need to go to the store and replenish the refrigerators.
Cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah.
So I'm just continuing to clean out this refrigerator. Let me know below how often you clean out your refrigerator, because I don't do it a lot. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't. I hate doing it. There's a lot of things that I hate cleaning, but they have to be done. But just let me know how often you clean out your refrigerator, and how often you check your food to see if you need to throw it out. Like, if you're really, really busy like us, most of the times you probably don't eat at home, but there's a couple of days a week that we do eat at home. So it's like, I put this off very often. That's what I'm saying. So there's my daughter, and she's coming and realizing that I'm recording. I always get my family. They never know when I'm recording. And then they come in the kitchen and they're like, oh, you're recording. But I don't, record them when they don't want me to, because my kids have always not wanted me to vlog or put them on video. I had videos from when they were younger, but when that COPPA thing came out, I went and deleted all those videos. But I am just continuing to clean out the refrigerator and getting this done.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level.
So I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's Rose scent to clean out the refrigerator, just wiping it down, just giving it a good wipe down. And then like in the inside of here, like down on the bottom where the food goes, that was dirty. So I went ahead and wiped that out with the Mrs. Meyer's Rose also. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this out.
We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level.
So I remember either last year or the year before last, I realized that this middle section of my refrigerator comes out, and I was so excited because I was like, how can I really get in here and clean this thing? So I took this part out and I'm cleaning this with the Dawn dish soap power wash spray. Just cleaning this out because this is where the produce goes and we want this to be clean, and it needed to be cleaned out.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
So now I'm just drying this out so I can put the food back in there. And I also needed to do this because this helps me figure out what I'm going to get and what I need to pick up when I go back to the store. This morning I wanted oranges and we're all out of oranges. So cleaning the refrigerator helps you figure out what you need to get from the store. So I'm putting these divider things back in here. Just putting these back. And yes, I'm one of those people that sing everything. So I'm just putting the food back in here, and then I'm going to wipe the refrigerator off with the Mrs. Meyer's Rose spray. And that will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video gave you guys some motivation.